Hello friends, today we are going to study how to convert verbs to nouns. The first word is advise and its noun is advice. Just notice the difference of S and C. In verb it is advise and in noun it is advice. Next word is amend. It is verb and its noun is amendment. Next word is allot. Its noun is allotment. Next, adopt. ADOPT, adopt. Its noun is adoption. Just ION is added after adopt. Next word is abide. Its noun is abode. Next word is act. Its noun is action. Next is argue. Its noun is argument. Next word is belong. Its noun is belonging. Next word is bury. Its noun is burial. Next is betray. Its noun is betrayal. Next word is bear. Its noun is worth. Next is bind and its noun bond or bend. Next is believe. Its noun is belief. Just notice the difference of F. You might have seen at many places, somewhere it is written believe and somewhere it's belief. So BELIEVE is verb and BELIEF it is noun. Next word is breath. Its noun is breathe. So I think you are familiar with these words. Many places you have seen. Next word is choose. Its noun is choice. Next is carry. Its noun is carriage. Next is complete. Its noun is completion. Conserve, conservation. Compel, compulsion. Commit, commitment. Next is conceal, concealment. Next word is deny. Its noun is denial. Next word is deceive. Its nouns are either deception or deceit. Next word is defy. Its noun is defiance. Next is do. Its noun is deed. Next is draw. Its noun is draft. Next verb is drink and its noun is draught. Then dismiss. Its noun is dismissal. Next word is elect. Its noun is election. Next is emphasize. Its noun is emphasis. Verb is EMPHASIZE and its noun is EMPHASIS. Next word is exceed. Its noun is excess. Next is expel. Its noun is expulsion. Next is exit. Its noun is existence. Next word is expect. Its noun is expectation. Excel, excellence. Flow, flood or flow. Fly, flight. Fail, failure. Feed, its noun is either food or fodder. Next is furnish. Its noun is furniture. Next is float. Its noun is fleet. Next is fake. Its noun is faked. Just notice D added to fake. It becomes noun. Next word is go. Its noun is gate. GAIT. Gate. Next is give. Its noun is gift. Next is gay. It's gaiety. Next verb is grieve and its noun is grief. It is similar to believe and belief. GRIEVE and its noun is GRIEF. Next is guard. Its noun is guardian or guard itself. Next word is grow. Its noun is growth. Next verb is grass and its noun is grass itself. Next is heal. Its noun is health. Then hate, it's noun, hatred. Next is handle, its noun is hand. Invent, invention. Injure, injury. Insure, insurance. Next is judge and judgment.